Good morning, my dear students. Your teacher is back with something new today. Today we are going to begin with the math subject. Okay, and as you know, in the previous sessions we were doing subtraction. We learned subtraction through different ways. Okay, so let us see some more ways to do subtraction. As you can see on the board, what is this? What is this? This is a number line. Yes, and you can see numbers on it from 0 to 10. In the previous classes, you all learned addition on the number line. Okay, when we add the number on the number line, we move forward. We move forward. But subtraction means we need to take away things. So here we are going to move backwards, the opposite direction. Okay. Now I am going to explain it to you with the help of a puppet over here. Okay. Here on this number line, you can see numbers 0 to 10. And the sum that I have written over here is 4 minus 2. What is the sum? 4 minus 2. So, I have our friend Sarah over here. Okay. She is going to jump and show you all how this subtraction is done on the number line. Now, our first number is number 4. So, what we are going to do is, we are going to keep a pencil on number 4. And this Sarah is going to stand on this number 4. Okay? And what is the next number over here? 2. So, we are subtracting. We are taking away. So, we move backwards. 1, 2. Now, Sarah is on which number over here? That's right, 2. Sarah has jumped from number 4. She took 2 steps backward. And finally, Sarah reached number 2 over here. So our answer is number 2. Same way, we will take another example. Okay. Now, I'll write the sum down over here for you. 2 minus 1 is equal to dash. Now, which is the first number over here? Number 2. Okay. So Sarah will first stand on number 2. Okay, she is going to stand here. Okay, and how many steps she is going to move backwards? 1. The next number which is given over here, that many times she is going to move backwards. So she is going to stand on 2 over here and she is going to move backwards. She is going to take 1 jump. 1. Now Sarah has come on which number? That's right, number 1. She was standing on number 2. She took 1 step backward and she reached number 1. So our answer over here is number 1. Okay. Now let's take another example. Okay. I'll write one more sum over here. Let's practice it. Okay. Now our next sum is 4 minus 3. Now can you tell me where is Sarah going to stand? Which number? Yes, the first number, that is 4. Okay, Sarah is going to stand here. And how many steps she is going to move backwards? Yes, 3 steps. So let's move. 1, 2, 3. And Sarah has landed on which number? Finally she came to which number? That is number 1. So I hope, my dear students, you have understood now how to do the sums on the number line. Okay. Now it's your turn to do it in your books. Now please open your math textbook. Come on page number 78. Write CW, today's date. Okay. And the first 3 sums teacher has solved it for you. You can start it in your books. Okay. Now the first sum given over there is 4 minus 2. Here there is a picture of penguin and she is moving backwards. Okay. She has taken 2 jumps. Penguin was standing on number 4. Later she took 2 jumps and finally she reached the number 2. So here the answer is 2. We'll move to the next sum. 2 minus 1. Here you can see a ladybug. It is there on number 2. Now ladybug is going to move 1 step backward on the number line. And finally it is going to come on which number? That's right, number 1. And our answer is number 1. Similarly, 4 minus 3. I've already shown it to you on the board. Okay, I've showed it to you on the board. You can do it in the same way in your books. Okay. I hope you're done with the first 3 sums. Let's move to the fourth sum, that is 6 minus 2. Our next sum is 6 minus 2. Okay. 6 minus 2 is equal to dash. Now what are we going to do? Which is the first number? Number 6. We are going to keep our pencil over here, number 6. And how many jumps we are going to take backwards? That's right, 2. So 6 minus 2. Take 2 jumps. 1, 2. So what is our answer over here? On which number did we come? 4. That's right. Please write number 4 over here. Now let's move to the last sum. What is the last sum? Yes, read it to me. That's right. 5 minus 4 is equal to dash. Okay. Now what are we going to do? Which is the first number over here? 5. We are going to keep our pencil on number 5. Okay. And how many steps we are going to move backward on the number line? 4. We are going to take 4 jumps from 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And finally, which number did we reach? Number 1. That's it. Good job, my dear students. I hope by now you have understood how to do subtraction on the number line. And now it's time for your homework. For your homework, you need to complete page number 7979 of your math textbook. Okay? Now, please remove your math workbook. Okay? Please remove your math workbook. There's one more worksheet which you need to do in your math workbook. I hope you'll practice the sums and do it on your own and send me the worksheets for corrections. That's it. That's all for today. Have a nice day.